On the hunt na ulit para sa concert ticket ang ARMYs worldwide para sa arirang world tour ng global icon na BTS na magsisimula po sa susunod na buwan. Kasabay niyan, ini-enjoy pa rin nila ang hangover mula sa comeback concert ng grupo sa Gwanghwamun Square. Nasa frontline ng balitang yan, si MJ Marfori.
Days after ng historic comeback ng BTS, may post-concert hangover pa rin ang ARMY. Mahigit 3 taon na nga naman silang naghintay since 2022.
It's been a long journey, but now we're finally here!
As much as it is historic, symbolic din ang comeback concert ng BTS sa Gwanghwamun Square. Hindi lang ito basta pagbabalik ng global icons. On a more personal level, pagbabalik din ito ng grupo sa sentro ng kanilang Korean identity at culture. Gaya ng hundreds of thousands of ARMY worldwide, on a high pa rin ang certified fellow ARMY na si Megan Young.
Parang lumabas yung passion ni Bones when she found out how much she loved BTS and how much she was such a part of the ARMY. So for me, it brought out another side of her na sobrang natuwa ako. Kasi ako, adik ako sa basketball, adik ako sa video games. I was always wondering, magigets kaya ni Bones yung nararamdaman ko? And ngayon nagigets niya. So sobrang nakakatuwa para sa akin.
And the best thing about this is, sobrang supportive ARMY husband ni Mikael. But at the same time, he loves listening to their music also.
Nahawa na rin ako. So guys, Jin bias ko because Jin yung bias.
My bias in BTS is J-Hope. He's my favorite in the group.
My bias is V.
Yes, you got a bit of sauce on your mouth. Anyway, I like BTS because it's kind of like the first group that I was introduced to in K-pop, and they just paved the way.
Yeah, they're definitely also the first group that introduced me to K-pop,
Yes.
and I really love how their music makes me feel good.
It's V and RM. Why I love BTS? I've been listening to their songs since I was little, and I dance, so I always would recreate their dances. And why I love them is because they're inspirational, and the fact that they all write their songs and their stage presence is very powerful.
But the BTS fever has just started. Again, dahil sunod naman ang arirang world tour with a total of 82 shows in 34 regions. Kasama na ang Pilipinas sa March 2027. Gaganapin ang kick-off ng tour sa Goyang Stadium on April 9. Pero habang hindi pa nag-uumpisa yan, i-experience muna natin ang kanilang comeback journey, pati ng pagbuo ng kanilang 5th studio album na Arira sa upcoming Netflix documentary, The BTS The Return, sa March 27. Nagbabalita mula sa Frontline, MJ Marfori, News 5.
Mga kapatid, Jervy Wrightson po. Eto na nga. Para sa latest showbiz news at iba pang K-alaman, mag-follow at mag-subscribe na sa social media pages ng News 5.